Back here with a look at Tao. Alright, Bittensor, whatever you like to call it, whatever your preference is. But you can see right here, we had 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We took out this overhead resistance while we did it. Okay, after those 5 waves, you would be expecting a corrective move, right? Now, we didn't have it until over here where we did an A, B, C right in here. Let me show you that real quick. And that should be a good enough to start back towards the upside. ABC right there. Alright, now we've made this first push up. And if we come over here and zoom in a little bit better, you can see here it looks like it's starting another 5 waves. We do have another overhead resistance here that we're looking to take out, and this thing should be making some nice moves to the upside. We're going to take a look at some price targets here in a second, put a Fibonacci on this thing, see where it's at, and see where this thing could be headed. First off, I do want to show you the crypto bubbles. Look at that. What a beautiful day out there. Looks great, doesn't it? Really does. Let's see, there's Tao right there, up 10.5%. $3.76 billion market cap, ranked number 30, up 1 spot. 164.43 million in volume. Hear that thunder in the background? Man, it's thunder and lightning, and we're in a flash flood watch. It's unbelievable. It's all nasty out there. Got an alert on my phone. So we're keeping an eye on them conditions here. Man, we had a major flood in August. The water out back, we have a creek out back. It's normally like 3 feet deep. It was like 18 feet deep. We had one of them 1 in 100-year floods. Took out our garage, blew the back of the garage out. It was 3 feet deep in the garage, about 6 inches deep in the house. We had mud all through our house. It was terrible, man. So we're still recuperating from it now. You know, it was a pretty bad time, but life moves on. We're good. We're alive. That's all that matters. We loaded me and the wife up and our kitties, and we got out of here once the water started getting high. And came back. We had a chicken on the back porch. We took him home. He came from about a half a mile away. We carried him home, and we knew where he went. So it was unbelievable, crazy. But anyway, let's go over here. Bitcoin dominance. This is what we're waiting to fall, right? This is what we want to roll over. This is when our alt season is going to come and take off. We ended up getting in a fart coin long last night in Discord. Did a 4x on that. It was beautiful. Ended up waking up this morning with a nice 4x trade. I'll show you real quick. A lot of people talk without showing proof. Well, here it is. And we won 6 out of 7 the other day. 423.4%. That's over 4x, 4.25x. So if you had 1,000 on it, you made 4,230. If you had 100 on it, you made $423. If you had 25 bucks on it, you made $123. So nice trade overnight. Then we lost a couple, and then today Ali put out a nice avalanche trade. That was a winner. We have about 180 people in our Discord. If you want to come join, it's a level 3 membership. It's only 15 bucks, guys. We have a pile of great traders in there. That makes all the difference. Trading in a group. Then we're in also Filecoin and an Ape long. You can see here. I'll just show you really fast. Ape ended up breaking this wedge right here. See that wedge? Right in here, the white lines broke that wedge. That's a 12-hour chart, but moving to the upside here. An upside target for this thing. So, ApeCoin and Filecoin. Now, Bitcoin dominance, 64.47%, and the 12-hour RSI rolling over. Look at that right at the very top. Rolling over, looks beautiful. The daily. Flipping bearish, 73 and an 81. The weekly, flipping bearish, 47 and a 48. Right, it's the first weekly red candle we've had. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a month. right? So that's what we're hoping for here. Roll over and start the big downfall. You know, it's way up there. When this thing goes, you know, it should come the whole way down, here. All right, so alt season. That's what we're waiting for. Bitcoin looks like it's heading about 118, 119. It should be heading up that way, right up in this area, 118 to 119. That's broken through the 618, 702, pushing up that way. So next few days look pretty bullish to me. You know, besides a wave 4 pullback for Bitcoin and the fifth wave up, not looking too bad. Now, as far as Tao goes, and also, if you guys are interested, I don't like pushing it too much. I'm a small YouTuber. I started this a few months ago, buymeacoffee.com/cryptoblocks. It's a regular company that buy me a coffee. You know, you can donate $1 if you feel like donating anything. You know, you can go over there. Right there's the address, buymeacoffee.com/cryptoblocks, and they have a monthly supporter, a one-time supporter, you know, whatever. And thank you so much to the people that have donated. I really mean that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, even though I have 180 members in Discord, you know, I only get, they take the taxes out of that, and, you know, and YouTube takes their cut, so out of $15, I get, you know, $7 or $8, but anyway, let's take a look at Tao, where we're headed. Sorry about that. I think the storm is, messing up my stuff here a little bit. Let's get Tao up on here. I have like the highest speed internet you can get here, and you can see it's lagging a little bit from right from the storm. Let's get Tao on here. I have to have it high, especially for trading, you know what I mean, leverage trading. I don't want some lagging you know, internet, that's for sure, especially when I'm dealing with real money. Alright, now we're at $425 right now. This is Binance chart here. I'm going to take it that wick is not accurate. Now you can see you do have an overhead resistance here. You can take it from a couple spots. You can take it from here, which would give you a break, right? Or from back here and pull it out, which would mean you didn't hit it yet. Okay, so you have one or two things going on there with that. You know, you can. It's really hard to say here, honestly. I mean, this could be legit coming down through here. You can clearly see it starting 5 waves. This is on a 12-hour. You got 1, 2, working on 3 here. Maybe 3 comes up, back test, and 5. I don't know. We'll see. Now, if we get these off here. Alright, take a look. This is a 12-hour chart. If we go off our prior high over here to the left of where we are now, we are through the, you know, the danger zones here. You know, the next target should be up towards 496. Look at that wick. That ain't legit, is it? Let's look over here on this one. No, it don't look like it. All right, in fact, we'll go off this chart here. But you can see what I mean about this line here. It could be legit for sure. You know, got that break. Let's see what we got on here. 496, 490, yeah, 497, right up in that zone. That should be our next target area for Tau. We're going to put a block up here. And let's take a look at the RSIs. Right, we got the 12-hour heading to the upside. It's at a 195, getting a little stretched out. Your daily heading up, looks great. Weekly turning back up. It's at a 79 and an 82. On the bottom it is bullish, and the monthly. All these monthlies look fantastic on all these altcoins. All right, when this alt season does start, it's going to get absolutely crazy. I'm telling you. These all these RSIs are looking very, very good. All right, but in the short term, like I said, I would be looking up towards that 490 to 500 area as the next target here, and it could take a couple days to get up towards that area. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you for sure it's going up there. Bitcoin rolls over and does its thing. It could obviously that pulls everything down, but this should be the next target area up here around 497. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll talk to you soon.